Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to mass unfollow people or followers on the X platform or Twitter. All you need to do now is to follow these simple steps and watch the video to the end. So first, you need to head in to the Twitter or x.com, and then you will need just to go to your profile so you can see all your following accounts. In my case, I have no following account, so I'm going just to start other people to start following so I can show you how to mass unfollow anyone. So basically, let's just go to the profile and start following. Let's just go show more, and I'm going just to start following other accounts randomly so I can show you. And basically, I'm just going to the profile again, and as you can see, I'm having here 12 following accounts. And as you can see, those are the accounts. To mass unfollow them, we need just to start a script or to execute a script on the console or on your web browser DevTools. So you need just to go to inspect by right clicking on any place on your web browser or page. You click inspect and then go to the console. Of course, you will need just to copy paste these scripts, and if it starts giving you the browser starts giving you some error messages or some warning, just type allow pasting and enter, and basically you will be able to start pasting all the scripts that you want, and make sure that this is the exact script so you cannot have any risk of any attack. After that, I'm just going to type enter, and basically the script will be executed, and you will, as you can see, all the accounts has been unfollowed from my account, and this is how you can mass unfollow people on the X platform or the Twitter. Even if I reload the page, I'm going to find zero following people here. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.